2008 Jeep Liberty exterior changes include squared-off headlamps, a flattened hood line, and a less rounded body. Jeep has definitely masculinized the Liberty's styling. Motor Trend agrees that with the Liberty, Jeep has amped up the manly appeal. It gets a more macho-looking Jeep 7 slat grille, replacing the more rounded, friendly-looking grille that ironically has been applied to the iconic macho Wrangler. The 2008 Jeep Liberty is a true dual-purpose SUV that you can actually drive off-road on tough trails with the resulting on-road compromises. Off-road, there are few compact or mid-size SUVs that will scrabble up hills or drive off cliffs, as well as the 2008 Jeep Liberty. While Jeep has strayed away from its roots of producing only highly capable off-road vehicles, the 2008 Jeep Liberty remains a true rockhopper. The same characteristics that make for good off-road performance can also enhance on-road safety when the weather turns ugly. Rain-soaked or snow-covered roads won't pose much of an obstacle to the Liberty. Available at US Cars.